I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to YouTube Kids in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So the process is very simple. If you search for it, as you can see, YouTube algorithm will automatically select what goes into YouTube Kids, and you can't manually upload directly to YouTube Kids because this is part of their safety filter. So all you can do is create content that is specifically created for for YouTube Kids, and it will probably pass the YouTube filter and be uploaded to YouTube Kids. And another thing you can do is go to your YouTube channel settings, then go to channel and advanced settings, and right here you will see this option. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So you can set this option which says yes, set this channel as made for kids, because I mostly upload content that is made for kids. So you can do this, and when uploading a video you also have an option. I'm gonna edit a video real quick. As you can see, when you upload a video, you also have this option to set this video as made for kids or not. So you can select this option, and then if it passes the filter, it will be uploaded to YouTube Kids. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.